Today is Wednesday. Yes, today is Wednesday, and I just recently clocked off work because tomorrow is Thanksgiving. Even though I don't celebrate Thanksgiving, but oh well, I'm still take half day off because it's needed. But what are we doing today? So I have this what's this thing called shadow box? It's a frame, right, with a space in it, and I have a cool idea. So a DIY idea that I wanted to do with this because I love coffee, and also I've been seeing similar DIYs of what I'm trying to do here online, which seem pretty cool, right? So I'll add some screenshot of the ones I've seen. But it's pretty much people have stuff in a shadow box like this with the notes in case of emergency, break this, which I really like, right? So what I'm gonna do with this, I'm about to fill this up with coffee beans. Look at this. This is no small stuff. It's a big frame. Currently got like a Batman photo in it, but I don't care about Batman, right? I don't even remember me seeing any Batman movies, so I want to use this for what I like. So I'm gonna fill it up with coffee with the in case of emergency note at the top of it because I love coffee. I don't want to admit I'm addicted because I can stop when I need to, and I only drink 1 cup a day for 5 days a week. So I'm not addicted. I just need it to focus at work. It's like nah. But yeah, so I'm about to go to Walmart and see if I can find some cheap coffee beans there since I'm not gonna be using those. Those are just like art purposes. So I don't want to spend that much on coffee because it's gonna be a lot that will be going in there. I'm about to get dressed and get started right now. Alexa, what's the weather right now? I got it. I got it. Yes, you should always check your weather before you go outside, especially cold weather. Open! Look at that magic behind me. Oh boy, it's so beautiful out here, man. Beautiful sunny day. This feels good to have half day, man. I gotta make more use of these time offs, man. Look at the sun shining in my face. I wouldn't have got this blessing right now if I'm just in the house working all day. Because now we get dark so quick. As soon as I get off work, boom, it's night time. There's nothing else to do. Oh, no. Oh, hell no. What the hell? Dang, my tie's like all the way down. I hope no crazy person came and burst my tires, man. This is slow, but at the same time, I haven't drove this car in like a week. I hate this, man. Let's go to the tire place. It's one thing about cars, man, like people feel like having a car is nice and all that, it's a luxury, but it comes with a whole lot of stress too, man. Unexpected stuff like this. Why is my radio on, man? It's disturbing me. But yeah, unexpected stuff like this will happen. You may have to service your car time to time, and if that's the case, it means more money, man, and most of the time, all the time. So having a car is like having a child. You gotta maintain it. If you don't maintain it, you're signing off the worst financial decision ever. So get a car that you can afford. That's the conclusion. Because we all have the tendencies of getting things that we cannot afford, and that's trouble. back in the apartment now, and I got me the coffee bean, some of the stuff we're gonna use for the process, and also the shadow boxes right here. So let's get started right now. First step is I would have to cut this paper out and get access to get in it. Let me use my favorite thing, this blade. Is this a blade or a knife? I don't even know. I don't like the way this thing is set up, man. Alright, cool. So the bag papers is out. See this? Now I just gotta get this off. Gonna have to prop this little metal up a little bit. Almost there. Not almost, but halfway through so far. Boom! So I got the photo out, and initially what I was going to do is put like a white background on it and just throw the coffee bean in there and go with that, right? But I actually thought it would be nice to have like a black background since the box is black and the beans are going to be brownish black, so keep it like all dark theme, right? But it depends on how dark the beans are though. If the beans are like really dark, then I may very well go with just the white background, but let's see. We're about to find out right now. Ooh, smells good too. Okay. Boom, look at this. Beautiful, ain't it? Let me chew on it. Really good. This is my first time actually chewing on coffee bean. Okay. Alright, so let's go. I have a black can spray. So I'm just about to spray this part. Black. Then we can continue the process. We are now at the hardest part of this process, which is writing, right? Because my handwriting is terrible. But let's see how best I can make it work. I have two ideas again. Of course, the ideas are always flowing, right? One is to just write on this since it's already kind of like a blackboard, right? I can use this and write on it directly. But the problem with this is I have to get it right the very first time I do it. So, which is highly, the chances are very slim. Or, I can use like a white piece of paper like this and just cut it half and write on this and just stick it on there. Which will give me more chance, so keep trying again. So, I think what I'm gonna do is to just go for it, right? Like, I'll just start off writing on this. If it doesn't work, then I will use this to like just put over it, right? So let's just do it. I think that should make sense. And also, why am I questioning myself, man? I got this. Nah, told y'all. Look at this. Already crooked. Not good. Not good enough. Alright, let's try the paper. Finally, after millions of tries, I'm able to get a decent one, even though it's not that straight, but I don't want to keep trying, man. So what we gonna do next? Just take a little bit of this piece off and get the process going. Final step. Almost to the final step. Should be a lot more easy. We just about to pour the coffee now. Boom! Look at this. Looking nice. Smells good. Bang! Look at this, man. Beautiful. I think it came out pretty well. And I like it. I like it, to be honest. But the only thing that is still throwing me off is this white paper that I have in it. I wish it would have been black, but for now this will work. Maybe sometime in the near future I'll update it when I have a black paper that I can write on. But yeah, I like it, man. Look at this. It looks pretty cool. And yeah, this is it. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, whatever you want to call it, man. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you found value in it, please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done so yet. Like, share, check out my other content. I do vlogs, I do DIYs like this, and a bunch of other stuff, man, like educational stuff. Learn from me, pick my brain up. Even though I don't have the most sense, sometimes I can be very stupid, but you can learn from the worst decisions that I've made, so you don't have to repeat them. But yeah, thanks once more, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.